to debunk one of the biggest scams in personal finance that I know of out there. And guys, this one upsets me so much because I get questions about this every week, like multiple questions. Should I go out and buy this product? And it upsets me because this is a horrible product for the majority of people. And why are people not clear about this? Why do people keep falling prey to this product? This is whole life insurance. Let me be clear about my stance. I do not think most of us need this product, and most of us should steer far clear of this product. So there's two types of life insurances. There's term and there's whole life. Term means that you buy a policy for, say, 20 years out. So when I'm 50 years old, I think that I will have enough assets that I don't need a life insurance policy. So I'll buy it for 20 years. I pay about $50 to $100 a month. That money is not invested. It's just like an insurance policy. If I die, my family will get that $5 million. If I don't die by the age I'm 50, that money is gone. Then there's whole life insurance, which is sold as you basically are paying that premium every single month. It's much higher than the term life insurance. So maybe I'm paying a premium of $200-300 and I'm being told that that's being invested. That money isn't being wasted. Well, it's invested, but the yield is so super low. You're going to earn 2 to 4% every year. You could easily earn 10% in a diversified index fund portfolio. And more than that, not only is that yield so low, a lot of the premium, at least the majority of the first year premium that you're paying, is actually going to the financial advisor who sold you this product. So it is in their benefit to be selling you this product. And we're never told that. And then, guess what? Another caveat. If you try to get out of this for the first 10 to 15 years, the penalties are going to be so high that you're going to lose most of the investment that you put into this product. So they really lock you in. The only caveat, the only people who really need this product are those who may borrow against their life insurance. And those people are those with really high net worth who are playing games like borrowing against their insurance policy to buy properties, real estate, etc., etc. Most of us are never gonna do that. So most of us do not need this product. So please beware, do your research and learn about the basics first. I'm really angry and upset about this, and that's why I'm so animated, because I think people get taken advantage of, and we don't want that. That's why financial literacy is so important, and follow to get educated.